So what is Infrakit that we are now talking about? Infrakit is something that if you consider whole life cycle of your infra that you have built, you think about these different phases like design phases, construction phases, digital handover after construction and maintenance, and of course before all of these phases, the initial data that you collect all the time. So basically, Infrakit is cloud system project bank where you can put everything, all the data related to your infra project, starting from initial data and design. So Infrakit is not any design system, like there is some design systems like AutoCAD, Trimble or Bentley. And Infrakit is not machine control system, like Novatron, Trimble, Topcon or Leica. But Infrakit can collect all the design data and you can handle that design data on your construction site and put it on your machine control system. I'm going to shortly show you some issues, some basic steps from Infrakit, how we can visualize data, different kind of data, what you need when you are building your infra. So here right now, I'm in a project in Finland, in Espoo. And as you can see, I have produced here some background maps to one road. There is a detailed design as a background map right now. But with that design, I can also put you some models here. I can, for example, set you the highest combination model, and I can check that, for example, that is the model and the drawings, are they in same coordinate system, and is the elevation. So that is very important when you are ensuring that you build something correctly on your infra site. For me, at least, I have a lots of experience in construction. I have been working 20 years in construction sites. So cross-sectional tools, if I look about those, so I can easily see that how the design is made, and I can use measuring tools in our cross-section tools to measure, for example, the slope of pavement, the thickness of some layers, the elevation of something that I have to like excavate there. So it's easy to see that is everything like correct, and can I build with that design. There is of course a possibility in those cross-sectional tools also to see that design that designers have made, and after building, when I have took some as-built points, so I can easily compare those in cross-sectional tools. Of course, I can easily compare those as well when I look those in map, so I can easily bring to the map all as-built points that somebody has took. So basically now you can see that I have put simultaneously to the map view, I have put design maps as a background maps, I have put some 3D models, and I have put there some as-built points as well. And I can check those all together. Beside of that, I can also bring, like I told you, that with Infrakit, we can take those 3D models and put those to our machine control systems. So I can easily see from here, for example, in vehicle page, that everything is correct, that every machine that I have in my construction site, they got correct models and the latest version of those. And beside of that, I can also see all the same issues with my tablet computer. So in Infrakit field application, so when I'm as an inspector or as a site manager or as an infra owner or designer, when I'm at a construction site, I can easily see my location, take the cross sections from design, check that is everything correct, how is the progressing in my construction site, and is everybody doing like they supposed to do. So all the functionalities that I just showed you quickly, and of course there's a lots of more functionalities, like for example, I can take some photos when I'm at construction site, and if there is some failures, for example, so I can easily make some reports related to those. So now you can see that I'm taking photos of background where I am at our office. So when I take the photo, it will go immediately to the Infrakit. And then everybody can see it in map view. That was Infrakit very shortly and some issues on that. And the main thing in Infrakit is that it collects all the data from different sources, and you can combine the data and see it with your computer and with your tablet computer in mobile when you are at the site. So simultaneously, you have all needed information to make the design and construction in good way.